Hello everyone, today we're gonna do easy fattening starter with halibut crudo, lemon puree, pickled daikon and linseed chips. So I hope you're gonna like it and let's do it. And let's start with preparing the halibut. So I mix salt and sugar, half by half, with chili powder and coriander powder, and then I'm gonna cover the fish. And I'm gonna leave it inside the fridge for 1 hour. Next, I start with lemon puree. So I peel a few lemons first, and then I'm gonna blanch it 3 times. From the rest of the lemons, I squeeze the juice and leave it on the side for later. Then I mix sugar and double amount of water in the pot, put the zest in, and I'm gonna cook it slowly until the zest will be soft. In the meantime, I will do daikon pickled with ginger. So I peel piece of daikon and I slice it thin on mandolin. Then chop some ginger. And I'm gonna make easy pickle from water, white wine vinegar, sugar, salt and ginger. And guys, if you like today's recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you're first time here, click the subscribe button so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. I bring it to boil, pour over the daikon and leave it on the side to cool it down. At this time, is fish ready? So I will clean it with cold water, dry it with paper towel, and I'm gonna keep it inside the fridge for later. My zest is also ready, so I will strain it and move it inside the blender. Then I mix 1 part of lemon juice, 1 part of water and 1 part of cooking liquor. This is one option, but you can adjust the quantities for your taste. And then I put liquid inside the machine and blitz the puree for few minutes. And my lemon puree is ready to go. Now I'm gonna fry my linseed chips, which I made few days ago. You can watch the full recipe and learn how to do them on my Patreon page. My daikon is soft now, so I will cut it and roll it into these shapes, and they will be ready for the plating. And last thing I have to do is to slice the fish, and let's do the plating. So I put my sliced halibut nicely on bottom of the plate first. And then is coming my delicious lemon puree on the top. Few pieces of pickled daikon with ginger. Nice and crispy linseed chips. Then is coming fresh dill and nasturtium flowers. And I'm gonna finish it with green oil. So what do you think, guys? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. And if you would like to learn fine dining cooking from me personally, you can apply for my one-on-one coaching. And if you will be good fit, I will make from you the best home cook in your town. That's everything for today. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.